This video shows how to unbox and assemble a Xerox Versalink C415 color multifunction printer. Unlatch and remove the 4 plastic box locks. Lift and remove the outer box. Remove the manual and power cord from the top of the printer. Remove the packing materials from the printer. Open the plastic bag. Lift the printer with 2 people out of the plastic bag and box. Remove all packing tape from the printer. Remove the tape on the duplex automatic document feeder. Open the duplex automatic document feeder, and then remove the protecting cover. Remove the protective cover on the control panel. Open door A and remove the red plastic loops and clips. Close door A. Open door B and remove the red plastic loops and clips. Remove the cardboard above the toner cartridges. Close door B. Remove the tray from the printer. To move out the length or width paper guides, pinch the guide locks, then slide out the length or width paper guides. Fan the paper and load the paper in the tray. Adjust the guides to fit the paper size. Do not load paper past the tray's maximum fill line. Insert the tray back into the printer. If required, install the options such as optional trays, wireless network adapter, or optional hard disk before powering on the printer. Plug in both ends of your power cord. Install the printer network connection. The printer is now ready to power on.